So this next application that I want to talk about is Desmos. Now it is technically a graphing calculator, but it's a little bit more than that. So if I scroll down to this teacher Desmos part, you can go into classroom activities. And this is what I love about this, is they have all these different activities. And I'm going to go in and find transformation golf. Okay, so transformation golf, rigid motion. So I use this with my 8th graders to talk about rigid transformations. And so what they do is you can create a class code. You can either create an account or you can sign in with Google, which usually I just sign in with Google because almost all education has Google emails now. So when you create a class code, it gives basically, so I'm going to go through this. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account. I'm going to do it with my actual school email because it's already set up. And then it's going to come up. Now you can see I already have class codes. So if I were to view this dashboard, which is what the students will see, you'll come up with this screen that says, "Hey students, go to student.desmos.com and then type in this code." And so when they go to this link, so if I'm gonna click on the link, it's gonna bring up a new tab. It's already gonna have the code in it, but they're gonna get this screen, and this is the code that they'll type in, and they'll click join, and then they will get to go through what I'm going to show you through the teacher mode. So I'm going to click back here and get back to just the main page. And so I'm actually going to show you what these look like. So I have this image. So it gives them some like ideas behind it. So this is an obstacle, this is the pre-image, so the original, and this is the image. And what it does is it makes them actually, with transformations, it makes them actually transform it. So by translation, rotation, reflection. And so I'm going to show you how this works. So it shows it here, but these green dots you can move. So I'm going to move it to this green dot, and let's say I wanted to get to there. But I can't just go straight across because I have this obstacle here. So I'm going to first go up because I know where I need that to match up. So I'm going to go up to where that is. I'm going to click submit and see it's going to transform it for me. So then I'm going to translate again, and I'm going to take this point to the corresponding spot, and then I'm going to click submit, and we've successfully transformed this. So the challenges get harder and a little bit more difficult. They have to rotate, and it'll ask them, like Anya claims this challenge can be solved with a single rotation. Braden says it can be solved with a single reflection. Who is correct? And then use the sketch tool if it helps you illustrate your thinking. So it really digs deep, and then this allows the other kids to kind of, talk with each other. How did you do it? Or I'll give them challenges. I know that this, I'll say, I know that this can be done in 2 moves. So then the kids are like, oh, I got to be able to do it in 2 moves. So it challenges them. So I really like Desmos. They have a bunch of different activities, especially when it comes to math. And so this gets that really differentiation of teaching, which conducts to those IST standards to really differentiate. And so that's what I use Desmos for.